This is a review for this round end table. It has two surfaces, one lower shelf down here and then an upper shelf. This stands about 23 inches off the ground. The surface across in diameter is just under 16 inches. So the surface inside of the edge is smaller than 16 inches, obviously. This is the port on the top. There's a regular plug and then two USB ports. It does require assembly. There's an upper and a lower part of these uprights. You can see that they screw together with that bolt of one on each leg. Meets in the middle on the bottom. There you can see how the charging port is installed in the top surface. Plug in a flashlight or whatever, cell phones, whatever you want to plug into the top. Charging. Nice little table. This is the brown cherry brown. There's a couple other colors. There's a black and a lighter brown as well. I like tables where you don't have to see the cord in the back. This one, even if it's against the wall, you do kind of see the cord back there. But I do like the look of it. It looks pretty modern. Nice looking end table.